Hi, I'm Lily, a Senior Solutions Engineer, and today I'm going to introduce you to SurveyMonkey programs. Programs transform disconnected surveys into structured, ongoing feedback journeys so that you can track what matters over time, spot trends early, and take action with confidence. Whether you're a CX leader tracking NPS or CSAT, an HR partner checking employee sentiment, or a market researcher tracking consumer behaviors, programs help you decide what to ask and when to ask it. So instead of asking, where do we start or where do we stand, you have a clear path forward. Let's jump in and see how it works. Right here is the Made for You page. This is where we take the guesswork out of getting started. We'll surface personalized programs based on your goals and your profile. So whether you're focused on customer experience, employee engagement, market research, event feedback, or otherwise, you'll see pre-built programs designed for you. At the top, you'll see a main recommended program. This is based on what teams like yours are already running successfully. These programs, from brand health and customer experience to event or community feedback, are built on over 25 years of survey best practices. So you're not starting from scratch, you're starting from something proven. For today, we'll walk through the employee engagement program. But again, you'll see recommended programs tailored specifically to you. To make things easy, each program comes with multiple surveys included to help you understand feedback holistically. At a glance, you can see the goal of each survey and preview what's included. With just one click, we can select Use Program to get started. From here, you can edit your surveys to add in any new questions or remove anything that's not relevant, and customize the branding, look, and feel before you send these surveys out. You're not limited to just these surveys that are included in the program by default. You can expand your program by adding new or existing surveys, even if they've already collected responses, so that all of your feedback lives in one place. Programs also help automate the survey sending process. You can rely on our recommended send methods and frequency, whether monthly, quarterly, or ad hoc in frequency, based on what makes sense for you and your team. If you have a specific goal not covered by a program, you can build a custom program from scratch. This is perfect for bringing multiple touch points under one roof, replacing those scattered surveys with a single system of truth. I'll go ahead and create a new program for my employee onboarding, and I'll add in my existing onboarding surveys. Now, if you're already using folders to organize your existing surveys, you can convert one into a program with just 2 clicks to start tracking high-level trends across the surveys in that folder. Now, this is where things get really powerful. Programs use our multi-survey analysis to help you compare results across all of your connected surveys. So instead of looking at feedback in silos, you can uncover trends across surveys and over time and make more informed decisions. And because your surveys are connected, you can analyze those trends across them, allowing you to spot a dip in customer satisfaction, for example, or in the case of this example here, identify a shift in employee NPS. This allows you to take action before a minor issue turns into something major, like a retention problem. And when you want to go deeper, you can open up that dashboard for your program at any time to add additional charts and graphs, or deep dive in, giving you more visibility across those surveys. Easily keep track of everything in one place, what's scheduled, how many responses you've collected, and quickly jump in to edit, send, or analyze any of those individual surveys as well. And just like that, programs turn individual, disconnected surveys into continuous, connected feedback journeys so that you can easily track those important trends and make more confident decisions. Now, to start building your own programs, navigate to the Made for You section in your SurveyMonkey account And if you'd like to learn more, take a look at the SurveyMonkey Help Center or reach out to our team